Hello everyone. Have a good day today. Today we will discuss about the 7 ways to make money online. Now, according to the experts who do it every day. You might already have everything you need to start making money online, even if you feel like you have no idea what you are doing. When I first got started as a freelancer copyright in 2011, I didn't have any money to invest in my business, says Sarah Jane Bird, a copywriter, content strategist, and founder of the Content Collective. I was a graduate school for English and thinking about becoming a teacher. There is a top 7 way to make money online. Number 1, provide a service. Number 2, become a creator. Number 3, develop and sell intelligent properties. Number 4, launch a physical product. Number 5, enter the Sublet Economy. Number 6, embrace retail arbitrage. Number 7, get into affiliate marketing. Now we discuss about the first one way to make money online, and that is provide a service. And what is this? So we discuss what is provide a service. Number 1, many people first stumble into entrepreneurship through moonlighting and doing freelance jobs in their spare time. Perhaps you offer a review someone's resume, or you may help a business with data entry or online surveys for a new hour each week. The first time you get paid directly for what you already know, a whole new world of possibilities open up. Some employees have moonlighting policies, so you will want to make sure you are staying within your contractual obligations. If you are getting started on a side hustle in addition to a full-time job, providing a service usually splits out into one of 3 subcategories, which can be defined as following. Number 1, freelancing. You have doing the work on behalf of your client. Number 2, consulting. You are making recommendations on what the client should do next based on your expertise and experience. Number 3, coaching. Similar to consultant, but in coaching, your goal is to help the client become proficient in doing it themselves. So, let's say I am a certified nutrition who has a duty job, and I want to offer my expertise in my spare time to people who want to quit caffeine and I have better energy level throughout the day. Here are the different ways I could provide it service according to the subcategories above. Freelancing would be the most handle on. Number 2, consulting would be a least handle on. Coaching would be a consulting in this cost. And what is how much can you earn providing a service? That here we go. Freelancing consultant and coaching rates depend very much on what you sell and who you sell to. As the saying goes, the premier you charge the value you create. Generally, if more effort or labor required on your end, you will make money by charging a higher rate and taking fewer total client. Let's go back to our nutrition examples. A one-off consultant might range from $100 to $500. It required the least amount of time and payment is usually upfront, so you will make money immediately. According to the two, an 8-week coaching package might range from $500 to $2,500, begin with the consultants and then move to weekly coaching calls and email text support. The approach has become increasingly popular and many professions have built their entire online business exclusively with coaching package. A freelancing package might charge $100 to $500 per week for done for you services. You will make money, but eventually you will have to hire people to help you in order to grow further. Here is a number 2 work which we can do online and we get money from online. Number 2 is become a creator and get paid directly by followers and fans. Do you enjoy creating content online? Are you good at it? If the answer to both of those questions is yes, making money online by tapping into the creator economy might be a great option for you. Creator life is a great for professionals who don't have the idea of selling online but could pump out YouTube videos or manage a YouTube channel all day long. Over 50 million creators earn money online and 2 million of those creators doing it professionally, according to the Signal Fire, a venture capital fund that work with early stage startups. Think of creators like teeny media companies, the producer and publisher, educational or entertaining content, sometimes on their own website and sometimes exclusively on social media accounts, which you can get or taste of for free. They build an audience over time and then make money online from the audience in one of 3 ways. Number 1 is subscriptions. They offer access to their best content of exchange for subscription free. Number 2, sponsorship. Sponsorship is brands or companies pay the creator to be featured and the creator incorporates the brand's advertising into their content. Number 3, advertising kickbacks. Creator get a cut clouds and commercials that are shown on their platforms. When you watch the popular YouTube ads play during their videos, that creator is getting a cut of advertising spend because they are bringing the eyeball to the table. Number 3 is do the work once, then get paid again and again using intellectual property. And what is this? The goal e-learning industry was valued $25 to $3 billion in 2021 and was expected to more than double in value over the next 5 years, according to the report released by Research and Market, a market insights firm that has worked with over 450 Fortune 500 companies. If your services have an approach to a methodology that is valuable to others, packaging and selling this intellectual property is an online course program, ebook and workshop could be very lucrative. When it comes to money making idea, this business model is growing in popularity. And what is the feature of this? Number 1, program are similar to service but often operate in one to many capacity. Think webinar and live class rather than in a one-on-one setting. They may or not may include a community that lets you content with your peers. Information products. These include online courses, ebooks, PDF, and any other digital products. When you buy a book to read on your Kindle, you are buying an information product. Once your information product is built, you don't need to mess with again. This prospect is appealing to busy professionals who want to make money online, but they are strapped for time. Licensing. If your system or approaches are valuable to many different organizations, consider offering a way to license your intellectual property out of companies for a one-time or recurring rate. This approach is more advanced, but if you have a proven methodology that create values, organization are willing to pay top dollar for it. Next is number 4, launch a physical product and grow a teeny retail empire. E-commerce is a hot red industry, and tools like Shopify, Etsy, Fulfillment by Amazon API and Instagram shopping features have made it easier than ever to create and scale products based business. Even if it's just you to start, successful e-commerce business are so in demand. In fact, there are entire aggregators companies like Throsio and Purge dedicated to buying out your product based business for a lot of money and adding it to their portfolio. Next is enter the Sublet Academy. Enter the Sublet Economy if you have an existing asset that you would be writing to loan out to others for brief periods of time. There are online tools and apps that will help you make money on their site. And what is the feature? How to make money on Airbnb? The Sublet Economy can be great solution if you are strapped for one time. If you need an income stream that hums along in the background while you live your life, the Sublet Economy is for you. Next is embrace retail arbitrage, the Resale Economy. And what is this? Retail arbitrage refer to the act of buying items at lower or wholesale prices, then marketing them up and reselling them in various marketplaces to turn a profit. If you have vintage clothing to resell or have a good eye for purchasing goods at low cost locally that would be valuable online, consider exploring the resale economy. And how much you can earn from this? Retail arbitrage can sometimes yield high profit earning, especially if you sell rare items or collectibles. However, the challenge almost all the reseller encounter is time. Between listings, photographing your products and shipping to buyer, the process can quickly become a time-consuming side hustle. Retail arbitrage is a great option for people who don't have many assets but do have time on their hands and need to make money online more and more. And last is number 7, get into affiliate marketing. If you have an audience of people who might want to purchase from you but don't have anything to sell, why not sell someone else's offer instead? Referral is a powerful driver for business, and many are willing to give you a commission as thanks for helping to direct new customers their way. Affiliate marketing is not to confuse with multi-level marketing or pyramid schemes in which companies say they are selling product to consumers that are actually making most or all of their money off of the affiliate themselves. When considering an affiliate program, make sure the product is something that you love and want to both use and promote for yourself. So that are the 7 best platforms which you can earn and make money online. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. And thank you for watching my video.